Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for stopping by. If you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome. Do me a favor, join this amazing family by clicking on that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, this is me saying thank you so much for always stopping by to check up on your girl. For the very first time, my name is Ikong. Guys, I want to make vegetable soup. Yes, or Edikang. I don't know the one you normally call it, but me, I call it vegetable soup. And I'm going to say this before we start. Every woman out there has their own pattern of making their own soup. Like the way I make my own jollof rice is different from the way you make yours. And that goes for everyone. So today, I want to show you guys how I make my own vegetable soup. So if this video is what you want to enjoy, please do well to click back. Click on that subscribe button. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And at the end of this video, kindly drop a lovely comment for me. And I really appreciate that. So guys, let me show you what I've got from the market. I'm already back from the market, so sit here and enjoy this video with me. At the end of this video, I'm going to serve you a very delicious meal. All right, let me show you what I've got from the market already. So here are my ingredients. I have my water leaf here, the pumpkin leaf, ugu. The beef is here. Guys, can you see? Very fresh. I have my cow skin, the pomo itself, and there is also a roasted fish, my crayfish, the stockfish, and also the dry fish. So guys, let's just start washing. Yes, everything is ready, but I'm still going to wash and cut the vegetables. So just sit here and relax while we do this. Okay guys, so I started off with washing the meat. I washed it with salt, wash it properly, put it in a clean pot, set aside for boiling. And I went over to the vegetable. Guys, as you can see, I bought a very fresh vegetable and I did not bother cutting it in the market. I don't like cutting my vegetables in the market. So this is me plugging out the vegetables, and I washed again. Like I washed it 2 to 3 times before cutting it. Guys, I love washing my vegetables first before cutting it. I don't know for you, but I prefer it that way. That helps me to take out the sand and dirt from the vegetable. Then this is the stockfish, and I try to put hot water to it. And this is me washing or scraping out the dirt part from the cow skin. It's very important. Some people do wash with iron sponge, but I prefer using my knife to wash it. And after washing, I will cut it and soak it a little bit with hot water, just in case if there's still stubborn sand or dirt. The hot water and salt will help me to remove them. So I went ahead to cut my vegetable, which I just plugged earlier and washed. So this is me cutting the vegetable in the size or pattern that I love. And after cutting the vegetable, I set it ahead and wash also the water leaf. Guys, this is me seasoning the meat with some seasoning cubes, adding necessary spices to boil it. Then we'll start making the soup. And another thing you will see here, this is pepper. I'm trying to pound the pepper. I know you'll be wondering why am I using mortar instead of blender. I have blender, but I prefer using my mortar. So there's this leaf I bought earlier. I did not show you guys, I'm so sorry. The name of the leaf is okasi. I don't know what people call it, but I love just putting it in the soup. So I've already pounded it with crayfish and pepper, and I just put it inside the pot. Guys, I'm sorry I did not show you when I put the palm oil, the rest of the fish, that's the dry fish and everything. So I added the roasted fish just now, so it's not, pieces where I was still turning. And I've already added most of the things I need here before. Sorry I didn't get that for you. So this is me adding the water leaf. I know looking at the soup you'll be like, wow, is there not much oil? For me, no, because one thing about vegetable soup, I love it when it's shining. Like I love it when the oil is there. And once I put the vegetables are going to suck some parts of the oil. So don't even bother about that. Just watch this video watch it to the end, enjoy this video, and give me a lovely comment at the end of this video. So finally, the ugu itself, the pumpkin leaves, we are here. So once I just put that, the soup is ready. So we move ahead to, okay guys, finally we are here. Ose to go. Can you see it? This is like a payback for those of you. Exactly, you know yourself. I don't want to mention name, but una know una self. So like this now. My grandmother taught me this, that before I start I have to drink water for easy digestion. Let's go there. Go say to go. Hey! DJ. You gladdens my heart. Wherever you go, I must find you, my love. Our dreams are wild, our future is wild. It isn't only you, Sabiadi. You want? Okay. You want to eat like wait, I'll eat like this. Like this, Abby. Prince of the sun, son of the stars, tiger that hunts in the night. So, guys, why I was making this soup, I remember something that happened in the market. The thing is that, this is our country, me don't understand it. Like the security system of Nigeria is something else. So when I got to the market, I saw some crowd of youths beating one particular guy like that. So I asked most of my customers what was going on, and they said they caught the guy stealing, or he stole something. So I was like, what is this thing? Guess what? A bag of rice, rice that is now expensive. In some part of Nigeria, you use one bag of rice to buy land. Osogbo cabinet in here. That the man, the dealer, he's selling rice in bags. Imagine having your shop locked like yesterday, and you have about maybe 35 bags in your shop, only for you to come to the shop this morning and you're seeing how many. Hey, they said the man, the owner of the shop, he nearly ran mad. That this thief have already removed 10 bags of rice from his shop. Like, how will you do such a thing? And some people are busy defending him. Some were like, it's the country. He's hungry. Is this one? And do you know what the thief even said? Come there. The guy opened mouth and said that the wife just gave birth to, that he's looking for something to feed the newborn baby. And some people are just saying, but me, I don't even know what to say. Seriously. Like 10 bags. Is this the baby that will eat the 10 bags? The newborn baby has already started eating. She will not eat 10 bags of rice. Hey! I'm sorry. Like I was so like I don't even know how to say it. But anyways, I just bought what I came to buy. I don't even have strength. And I didn't even bother to video or snap anybody. So they will not come and beat me later. I don't have strength to fight. Fast forward to this delicacy. So like this, if you are hungry, you can join me. Only those that are hungry. If you know you are not hungry, don't come. But if you know you are very, very hungry, I can accept you. Come over. This is I've always loved vegetable soup. You see this soup? One of my favorites. Are you following it? Guys, let me say this, please. Some people be like, I don't like eating fufu. I don't like eating sumo. You're laughing. So don't get anywhere. I'm still going to finish this. I don't even know what to say concerning that guy. Sorry, let's discuss the guy. Do you think he's hunger? Because I hear that, okay, the other day they caught one boy. The place I went to do my hair, because I don't normally do my hair around my place. They caught one guy. They said he stole generator. A young boy. Some youths. They were beating him. Remove his clothes. So when I parked in front of my Chinese shop, I was like, what is going on? They said the guy stole gel. That in that their street, every time this is how some people get with this. That sometimes when they put on the generator and they go to bed, these are my temper, they can bring like in midnight. And the generator will just switch off. You will think that is your good neighbor or good Samaritan that put it off. But you're on your own, or you're in the case. Excuse me. That is a criminal. The guy will just target when the bring light. You will, I don't even know. Maybe he will off it for you and he will carry it. You wake up in the next morning, you will not see again. Please let me say this one. If you're watching this video at this place now, and you have not subscribed, that means you're from my village. You're part of my village people. They don't want me to progress. Like, why will you start from that beginning? You know when we started this journey, from the beginning, the intro, the whole cooking process, and now you have not clicked on that subscribe button. Then you are from my village, but I will forgive you if only you click on the subscribe button. Please, I'm begging you, enjoy torí Ọlọ́run. Click on the button. Thank you. Eche. Thank you very much. So please, another thing, you see, I like begging. Give this video a thumbs up. Very, very important. Like this. Just. And tell me what you think about the soup, the guy that they cut in the market, the process of making it, and the other one that they cut that was steam generator. In fact, everything that has to do with Nigeria that you know, put it down in the comment section. What say it go? I'm going to stand up so you guys will see my comment. Since how many days I've been on a weight loss journey, Araba weight loss, Nekwaya. Hey. Didn't gain a weight loss. Why would I even reduce? Why? For what? God made us in His image and likeness. And like this, I'm okay. I'm okay. So with this, baby girl, I've come to the end of this video. Please, do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget. Guys, let me not press it too much. I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.